Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I show you how to delete recordings inside your Canva app, or this works inside Canva on your PC. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes along the way. In saying that, let's dive into it. Alright, go ahead and open up Canva and then click on a recent design. Can be any recent design, it doesn't matter for this example. Give it a few moments to load. And now once this loads up, this might appear. If it doesn't, I'll scroll down, click on add, and there you go, brought this back up. And then from here, click on uploads, and then click into videos. And then to delete a recording, simply click and hold that recording, click into it. If you want to click multiple, click on multiples. But for this example, it's going to delete one. And then click on the trash can icon. And then it will say move one item to trash. Items can be restored from trash in the next 30 days. So go ahead and click on move to trash. Alright, now if you want to delete it from your trash can, simply swipe down, click on the hamburger icon, and then you want to click on the home button, and then click on the hamburger icon again. And then from here, click on trash. This is all your deleted trash images and videos that belong. And click into videos. And then if you want to permanently delete this video, click on the three dots next to it. You can click on delete permanently, or you can restore it. But for this example, I'm going to delete permanently. Click on that. Click on delete permanently. And that has been deleted permanently off of Canva. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful. We really appreciate it and it helps us out a lot.